Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Wise account to verify bank details, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Wise account and verify your bank details, start by visiting the official Wise website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account section, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. In the account section, look for Verify Your Identity or Verification options. Click on it to begin the verification process. You will be prompted to upload a form of identification. Choose a valid ID from the options provided, such as a passport or driver's license. Follow the instructions to take a clear photo or upload a scanned copy of your ID. Ensure that all details on the ID are legible and the image is not blurry. After successfully uploading your ID, you may be asked to provide additional information. This could include your address and date of birth for further verification. Fill in the required fields accurately and review your information for any mistakes. Once everything is entered correctly, submit your verification request. You should receive a confirmation email stating that your request is being processed. Wait for Wise to review your submitted documents. The verification process typically takes a few minutes, but can take longer during busy periods. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your verification status. If your identity is successfully verified, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, to verify your bank details, head back to the account section. Locate the option for bank details or add bank account. Click on it and select your country and type of bank account. Enter the required banking information accurately, including account number and routing details. Once your bank details are entered, you will need to verify the account. Wise will typically make a small test transaction to your bank account. Check your bank statement for this transaction. Note the amount and return to your Wise account to confirm the transaction. Enter the amount you received in the designated space. Submit the confirmation to finalize the verification of your bank details. After verification, your bank account will be linked to your Wise account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.